Hey guys, this is Robbie with Akshan Auto. Happy New Year to everyone. And I know I haven't posted in a little while. I'm trying to get back into it. Alright, so today I have these. I got these for Christmas, and they are from 3D Mats. And they should be, perfect fit floor liners for the Maverick. So I didn't open it yet. Let's open it up, see what they look like, and try them out. Now I want you guys to know, all the stuff that I've done on the truck, accessories, whatever, it's all been out of pocket. I'm not sponsored or anything by anyone, nor am I advertising for anyone. I saw these from another YouTuber, and they look pretty neat. So I got them, and they were pricey. But again, it's from 3D Mats USA, and they're kind of good looking. I like the way they looked when I saw them, so here we are. This should be the passenger side. 3D right there. Little button to snap it in. This is the driver's. They were supposedly bigger and gave more coverage than the other floor liners out there. So I decided to get them, but it took a while to come in. For like 6 months they were out of stock. This is the back one. Alright, so let me show you what I have in the truck right now, and we'll put these in. Alright, so these are the ones I have in the truck. They, I bought them on eBay. They were supposedly, 3D dimensional or whatever, but I mean, they served a purpose for a little while, but they're not very good. You get what you pay for. The back ones fit way better than the front ones, but you had to trim it and everything. So let's take these out and try the new ones. See, they weren't the best. So this is the driver's side. Take a look, guys, if you can. Fit pretty good. Let's try the rare ones now. It's the back one. Fit pretty good. Right here's the passenger front. All right, they all fit pretty good, guys. Take a look right there. Way better than what I had. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. If you like the videos, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.